Okay, it's time for me to make some honey mustard sauce. Orange juice, mustard, lemon, honey, mayonnaise, and horseradish sauce. Let's see. Start off with 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 3 tablespoons of orange juice, and then you add in the horseradish sauce to taste. If you have a problem with your honey being a little too thick, you can carefully heat it up in the microwave, or if the container is too big for the microwave, put it inside another container and fill it with hot water. That will make it more thinner, easier to use. Okay, you whip everything up till it's nice and smooth. Well, first, put everything together except for the horseradish. Whip it all up so it's nice and smooth. Then add in about a teaspoon of horseradish at a time, mix it up, taste it. If you want a little more spice to it, add another teaspoon of horseradish. Just keep going back and forth then. Make sure you all mix it up well. Make sure you taste it. And when you get it to the heat that you want, you're done. Homemade honey mustard. I also save containers from like ketchup and stuff like that. Put the sauces in. Homemade honey mustard sauce.